Hello, this is Gio. Hey, look what I'm in here. I'm in the Vudu app of my TV. And many of you use Vudu to rent movies to watch or even to purchase digital movies that you can watch over and over again. And if you're like me, you've purchased digital media over the years, and I have a number of movies that I purchased on Vudu. Now, usually you start on Spotlight, but you can go to My Vudu just like that. Go down, and then let's say hit the movies, and it shows there that I have 96 movies that I purchased. I've also purchased some TV shows, as you can see there, etc. Well, some people have hundreds or even thousands of movies that they've purchased over the years, and organizing those movies can be very difficult. Well, Vudu has a new feature called Lists, which help you organize your movies. So from here, I'm just going to move over to Lists. So I'm still in my movies, my Vudu, and so you just want to go to My List. And here you can see that I have two lists already set up. Now Vudu actually set these up for me. I didn't do anything. These are kind of automatic. One of them was Star Wars. I have 3 Star Wars movies, and so they just automatically thought I may want a list called Star Wars. And then I also have a new section of 3 movies that I either recently watched or recently purchased. So how do you make a new list? So again, I'm in the list feature. Now if I just go down, I will highlight the new list right there. And so I hit new list just like that. Now first they want you to create a name for the new list. Now I do have a number of X-Men movies, so let's just go ahead and type in X-Men because I want to make a new list with X-Men. So Shift X. Oh, there you go. I typed in X-Men and then I just go ahead and hit done. And there you go. I have a new list called X-Men. Now the actual list is empty, but I want to add my X-Men selection. So you could kind of move back and forth which list you want. So I'm just going to select X-Men right there. And now you have 2 options. You can manage my list. Now on the left is manage my list, and if you select that you could either rename it or delete the list entirely, but right now we're just going to hit cancel. So I'm gonna search to add, so I'm just going to search to add. Now the cool feature about this list option is you don't have to just add those movies that you own. You can also add things you don't own and you want to perhaps watch in the future. You could kind of like a wish list. So I could add just any movie that Vudu or TV show that Vudu provides into my list. But right now I just want to search out movies that I already own. So instead of searching this way, I'm just going to go back to my Vudu there. I'm going to go down to movies. So I hit movies. And then let's see, I wanted to do X-Men. So I scroll down. Let's find an X-Men selection. And here we go. Here's some X-Men. And here's X-Men Days of Future Past. And so I'm going to select that. Now anytime you select a movie either for renting or owning or watching, you will now have a list, a plus list feature down here. And so we go down and hit plus. So we hit that. And now you could select which list you want that particular selection to be placed in. So I go to X-Men, I hit X-Men, and there you go. It has been added. Okay, and then when you're done with your selection, you want to go up to done. So there you go. And if I wanted to add some more, I would just kind of back out from the screen, go to my movies again. Let's see. We go down to, let's do just First Class, X-Men First Class. We hit that, and we go down to list, and there you go. We could just add it right there, and there you go. And we have added 2 movies to our X-Men list. Okay, so we're in the Spotlight menu again. Now, if you want to view what's in your X-Men list, you want to go to My Vudu again, and then down, and then scroll over to lists, and then there you go, the X-Men list along with the new and the Star Wars list. So we go down past the new list and to X-Men, we select that, and we could select which one we want, and we go ahead and just do the first class, and it'll give you the options, either resume, watch, etc. Now if I didn't want the X-Men First Class in this particular list, I could anytime, I can go down to list, hit list, and uncheck it. There you go, and then I go back up to done, and there you go. And then I can just go back and forth and add it again if I want. Boom, it's checked. Go up to done, and there you have it. Now I said you don't have to just make a list of movies you own. You could actually make a little wish list of things you want to either purchase or you want to rent in the future. So let's go ahead and make a wish list. Now traditionally there is, right by the list, you do have a wish list selection there, but it tends to bundle everything you've ever selected into one list, and it's kind of unorganized, and I have 83 items here that I've yet to watch, and so it can kind of be confusing to find the stuff you want to watch. So in this case, we can go ahead and go to, oops, let's go up to my Vudu, down, and go back to list, and then I could hit the new selection. We'll hit that, and we'll just put type in wish list as the name. And there you go, we're done. And so we'll go ahead and hit done, and you can see we have a new wish list title there. And then to add to our wish list, we just go ahead and, oops, back one. We select our wish list, and then we can go ahead and search, add new titles to our search. And in this case, let's just, I don't own Frozen 2, but let's go ahead and add that to our wish list. We hit Frozen 2, we just go down to the list, and we select the one we want. We hit list, so it adds to our wish list. We go up to done, and there you have it. It should be added to our wish list from there. But you could also just go directly to your spotlight, where you're usually kind of searching out movies. So I'm down to my spotlight, and let's just add 1917 to our wish list, and from there you could also just go down to your list just like that, and then just put it in your wish list, boom, and then you're done. And so it's as easy as that. This is a great new feature. It just organizes your movies, etc. And again, to get to it, you just go to my Vudu to lists, and there you have it. You can go to my list, and in this case I don't own it, so I'd have to rent it, but it's in my new list. So I hope this video helps you out. This is a great new feature, and I will see you next time. Bye bye.